It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey. Hudson County in
Yippee!
Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey. Northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey.
Fuck yeah!
Northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey. East central Lehigh County in eastern northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania. Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., showers with damaging winds were located along a line extending from near Blakesley to near Quakertown, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Montague, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Forks, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, and Quakertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These showers with damaging winds contain little or no lightning.
Hook up the
Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.
Here we go!
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Northern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., showers with damaging winds were located along a line extending from near New Hope to Turnersville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees.
Even my radar went off.
Possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Camden, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Gloucester City, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Middletown, Old Bridge, Salem, Jackson, and Howell. For your
basically for me.
An interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Wow.
Here is the official National Weather
All
Service
right, SVR for my county. Highway warning. There it is. Highway warning.
The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service.
Finally!
following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Northwestern Burlington, and Salem. And the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Delaware, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery, Lower Bucks, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. Wet. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Delaware, central, northern, northwest, and southern New Jersey, and east central and southeast Pennsylvania. When? Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Let's fucking go. Holy shit, guys. Doubleheader!
The following is a highway warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Eastern Monmouth, Southeastern Burlington, and Western Monmouth. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where?
No way I
Eastern
actually
Monmouth,
caught that.
Western Monmouth,
Doubleheader high wind warning.
Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal
Coastal
Atlantic,
Atlantic.
coastal Ocean, and southeastern Burlington counties. When? Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for
Whoa.
Chesapeake Bay north of Pool.